Well, hello everyone. I'm going to walk you through the process of how to accept your invitation for the QuickBooks Online, how to create your account, and then how to set up your company. So you ready? Let's go. So here is the invitation that was sent to me. I'm going to click where it says accept invitation. And when it comes up, that will take me to the QuickBooks account. So I'm going to confirm the email. Just make up a name. Put in a phone number. And put in a password. Add a symbol. Add a symbol to that. And we need another phone. There we go. Okay, so just that simple. You put in confirm your email address, put in your first and last name, phone number, and password. Then click where it says to create account. Give it a second or two. You can save it. And just like that, we now have created a QuickBooks Online account. All right. So now I'm going to follow the instructions in your textbook beginning on page 7. Again, these instructions are in your textbook beginning on page 7. Okay. So it gives you information on QuickBooks, what QuickBooks Online is all about. I want to click on the next button. So the business name, you're to put in your first name, your last name and first initial. So I'm just using a sample. So it should be your last name, first initial, followed by Mookie the Beagle. All right. Now I'll put a check mark, say this is my legal business name. Then press next. Now, this is a little different than what's in your textbook, and that's because with the online version, it changes all the time. So the textbook cannot keep up with all of the latest information because in your textbook, it says to uncheck, I'm moving from QuickBooks Desktop and want to bring in my data. We don't have that. Click here that says nothing, I'm just getting started. Nothing, I'm just getting started and then click on next. And once again, these instructions on your textbook beginning on page 7. When it asks for what's your industry, click on the skip for now button. When it asks what kind of business, you're a sole proprietor and click on next. How does your business make money? We're going to click on sales products as well as provide services. Again, so we're going to provide services and we're going to sell products. So click on the next button. When it asks about your role, of course, you're the accountant. So click where it says bookkeeper or accountant. And again, these instructions are in your textbook beginning on page 7. So click on the next button. Who works at this business? We have contractors, We have employees. We have a few partners and owners. So choose employees, contractors, a few partners and owners, and then click on the next button. It will talk about payroll. We're not ready for payroll just yet. So when you get to the payroll section, choose no, I don't want to add payroll, and then click on the next button. When it asks what apps do we use, we're not going to add any apps. So we can scroll down to where that says skip for now. Now, if this was your actual company, you could add some apps to it. But again, we're going to choose where it says skip for now. Okay. I'm sorry. So we click no on the payroll. I didn't click that. Then click next. And then on the apps, we do not want any apps. So we're going to choose skip for now. And for some reason, this is my taskbar is hiding the. See if I can pull this up a little bit. Let me just click on that. Make it a little smaller. Gotta improvise. Here we go. Then click on skip for now. Okay. Then when it asks us about linking accounts, again, we're not going to link any accounts at this point. And once again, these instructions are all on your text that begin on page 7. So we'll click skip for now. What is everything you want to set up? Okay. And these instructions are actually on page, what page is this? I believe it's page 9 or 10 of the ebook. But the thing we want to set up, we're going to organize money in and out, invoice customers, track receipts and expenses. We want to be able to pay employees or contractors, track our sales, enter and pay bills, track time, and manage inventory. So these are all the things we want to be able to do by using the QuickBooks software at this point in time. So click on the next button and say we're almost ready to dive in, meaning that we're almost done. So once the let's go button comes up, go ahead and click where it says let's go. It'll take a second and look at there. Your new company has now been set up using QuickBooks Online. So every time you go to it, so I recommend that you do click where it says take a quick tour. I won't take the tour in this video, but take the quick tour. And the tour is going to explore the different icons from the dashboard. It will show your banking options, sales, customers, your cash flow, expenses, the different reports that you can run out of the QuickBooks Online. So in chapter one, and you go through the pages after the setup, it's going to walk you through these different features in the QuickBooks. So I do recommend that you review chapter 1 carefully to get familiar with how to use the QuickBooks software to do a variety of business transactions. Okay? So at this point, you know how to accept the invitation, how to create your account, and how to set up your new company in QuickBooks. You're now ready to go to work. Okay? Talk to you soon.